The awards would be part of the $53 billion CHIPS Act. To bring back chip manufacturing to the U.S., the legislation was passed in 2022. But the administration has only made a tiny grants so far. In addition to Intel and Taiwan Semi, the administration could announce awards for Micron Technology, Texas Instruments, Global Foundries, and South Korea's Samsung Electronics. Intel has chip projects underway in Arizona, Ohio, New Mexico, and Oregon, with a total cost of more than $43.5 billion. Taiwan Semiconductor has the chip fabrication plants under construction near Phoenix for some $40 billion. The first plant is due to open in 2025. Taiwan Semi recently pushed back the second fab start to 2027 to 2028 and suggested that U.S. government incentives will influence how advanced it will be. Samsung has a $17.3 billion project near Dallas. Chip stocks. It's unclear if subsidy announcements would have an impact on share prices. CHIPS Act grants were going to happen at some point. Also, the announcements would be preliminary, according to the Wall Street Journal. Final agreements would come later, with funds released in stages. Intel stock plunged 11.9% to 43.65 in Friday's market trading, gapping below the 50-day line. The Dow Tech Giant beat Q for views late Thursday, but guided well below views for Q1. TSM stock is up 12.75% in 2024, hitting 23-month highs. Shares blasted out of base earlier this month on a bullish Taiwan Semi guidance for 2024. TXN stock fell 5.5% last week, back below its 200-day line. After reporting weak earnings and guidance, MU stock edged up 0.5% last week, trading around 52-week highs. GFS stock fell 4.8% on Friday, taking its cue from Intel to undercut all its key moving averages.